everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're working on this year's Christmas project, and this is it.
Alright, we're going to start out with this piece of cedar. It's an old piece of fence cedar. I think it's almost 1.5 inches, looks like. It's 1 3/8 thick. And we're going to rip it in 1/2 inch strips. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to cut a slot down the center to receive some glass. So the slot just has to be wide enough for the glass to fit in. The glass is 1/8 of an inch, so the saw blade is probably going to be the right width. Okay, so I got the blade set at 1/4 inch for the depth and 11/16 for center. This is the glass we're going to use, and it does just barely fit in there. I might have to open that up just a little bit more. It fits, but it's really tight. So we're going to run another pass, just take a 1/16 off of one side. Okay, we're going to cut 2 of these 9 inches with a bevel on the end. Alright, so we need 4 of these cut at 1.5 inches. Bevel on both ends. And we need 4 of these 2.5. Okay, that's kind of what it's going to look like. So we're going to glue these together and shoot brad in them, on the end of them. Just a 1/2 inch brad. And we're going to glue these on each end. We're not going to glue this together yet until we make this attachment. Alright, so we want to put glass inside here, and it measures out to just over 7/8. So we're going to cut this at 7/8 of an inch. So I put some marks on here to make it easier to line up. And I'm just going to put the edge of that glass, and this is 1/8 inch glass. I'm going to put it right on that line, and this mark here represents the 7/8 mark. I put a little painter's tape on my straight edge to keep it from sliding. Keep in mind this wheel, or cutting wheel, is not going to be right along the edge, so you got to allow for the width of this. So you move this over just slightly. And then what I typically do is take a little WD-40, spray it on that wheel. And then with pretty good pressure. Not, you can't be easy with it, you got to score it. So then just take a little crescent wrench and there it is. So that's going to fit inside here. So we got to cut these to length and put them in before we nail this to the side of here. I've got the glass inside these pieces, and what I'm going to do is position the top of this at 2 1/4 from the top, and that puts this at 3 inches center. All right, there we go.
This project, please give us a thumbs up. Until next time, God bless, take care, and we'll see you later.